Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to add timestamps in YouTube videos. You have two ways how to create timestamps for YouTube videos. You can type them manually as I did in this video, or also you can do automatic chapters for all your videos, and I'll show you both ways. I have this exact video in the YouTube Studio in this tab, and as we can see this video is 9 minutes and 34 seconds long. You'll have to place your chapters in the description, anywhere in the description. The title will be chapters, then two columns, space, and now the first chapter has to start with 00, a space, a line, another space, and where first chapter will end. Another space, another line, another space, and here you'll have to name your chapter however you want. You also have few conditions if you want to type your chapters manually. As I told you before, the first timestamp has to start with 00. You must have at least 3 timestamps listed in ascending order, and also the minimum length for a video must be at least 10 seconds for it to have chapters. Now the second chapter has to start a second after the first one ends. Type it where the second one ends, and again the third one has to start a second after the second one ends. And very important, when you reach your final, the last chapter, it has to end exactly where the video ends. We can see the video ends at minute 9 and second 34. You'll have to type here the exact minute and the exact second where the video ends. And we modified the intro name. Let's press on save. Now I'll go on this video, reload it, and if we have a look, the name modified, and if we put our mouse right here, we have a different chapter. You can also add automatic chapters by going into YouTube Studio, go to content, find the video which you'd like to add automatic chapters to, press on details, and now you'll find here a settings called automatic chapters. Just mark this one and press on save. Or also if you go to settings, then upload defaults, advanced settings, if you mark allow automatic chapters and key moments and press on save, all your future uploads will have automatic chapters enabled.